let's get started. Wait, you want to see how we did it? We are just going to show you a close-up. We just put a spacer in. Our dad won the battle, you can see. We gone white and we did a yellow swing arm.
Yeah. So, hi guys. Yes, I won the vote, but we sacrificed and we gone with the yellow one. So just to give some feedback, we managed to get the swing arm powder coated, so we didn't have to order a new one. We did get all of our parts from Mr. Pee-wee Parts up in Joburg. They shipped out very quickly. They're on the ball. So yes, all of our nuts and bolts, everything has been cleaned. Some of the stuff we basically refurbished. I found a new rattle can that gives me that chrome effect, and I think that looks awesome. Yeah. So yes, everything has been cleaned. We're gonna basically start with the frame just to get everything in place. Firstly, we want to start with the wiring, get that in place, and then get the motor in. The motor came out phenomenally. The aluminium is super clean. I did check on the piston. The compression is phenomenal. That is sorted. So I think that main rattle that I heard, or the engine noise that I heard, was that like cling 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 noise to it. But that was on the exhaust. Some of these bolts that was in here was loosened. There's one that I couldn't get out. So I did some spot welding on it. You can still see a remainder of that bolt. But yes, that's not something that we want to take off in this case. So, but we did manage to get that heat paint on there, and then we did get the cover for the canister. So that protection plate that we've got there, and then the rest of the stuff we had color coded. We initially wanted to go with that seat with the Yamaha writing on there. But then you saw on their website the seat with the yellow straps, and that actually is going to suit our bike very nicely. It's a rubber kind of texture to it, but then it's got these little gripper marks on it. So you can go up the mountain with me this time without sliding off the back of your bike. Yes, and then we're going with the full white body kit, and then your stickers are like a blue/yellow. And that's kind of bringing everything into place. I've done some minor sub-assembly, like on the throttle casing and the levers up here, just to make it a little bit easier for Mackie to assemble. I'm going to leave it up to him today. I've helped him to get the swing arm in and get the front suspension in, and then I'll help him with the motor. But the rest of the stuff, I'm going to take you through it. You're going to hit the spanners yourself this morning. Yes, let's keep going. Yeah. Are you sure it's lined up properly? What?
Hi guys, welcome back. It's actually the next day. Me and my dad finished it. Now I'm just gonna wipe it, and then we are putting the stickers on, and then possibly do a test drive.
Yeah. Taking it slowly. First ride out on the bike. Doesn't know the brakes just yet. Just getting there.